Welcome to Natural Health Talk, your go-to podcast for all things related to holistic wellness, natural remedies, and living a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Be sure to visit our sponsor, topnaturalhealth.com, for special promo code pricing on all of the products mentioned in our episodes.
All right. Let's talk testosterone today.
Sounds good to me. You've
been researching Testosil, right?
Yeah. It's been interesting.
Some of these claims they make are pretty bold.
Yeah, they are.
Like a 434% increase in testosterone, really.
It's a lot, for sure.
I mean, come on.
Yeah.
We're going to dive into all that.
Okay.
We're going to see what's what with Testosil today, see if it lives up to the hype.
Let's do it.
You sent me that article from topnaturalhealth.com.
Right.
And by the way, they are doing a little something special for our listeners, a promo code, I think.
Oh, nice.
You can check that out if you want. But frankly, that's not the important part.
Right.
What I'm really interested in is,
Yeah.
Maybe you're feeling a little sluggish these days.
You're
noticing some changes.
Happens to the best of us.
And you're wondering if a natural boost is even possible?
Yeah.
Because you hear about testosterone, you're like, well, isn't that just for, like, bodybuilders?
Yeah. There's definitely a misconception that testosterone is just this muscle-building hormone.
Right.
Which it is, but it's so much more than that.
It's not just about building muscles.
No, not at all. Think of it more as, like, the fuel for your engine,
Okay, I like that.
It impacts everything.
Yeah.
Your energy levels, your focus, your mood.
Okay.
Even how your body handles stress and stores fat.
So it's kind of important then.
It's pretty vital.
Okay. All right, so this is about way more than just hitting the gym.
Yeah.
This is about feeling like you can conquer your day. I'm seeing why we picked this one.
Exactly. And here's the thing. As we age, our bodies naturally start producing less testosterone.
Ugh, come on.
Typically starting in our 30s.
All right.
Yeah.
So this is like a midlife crisis episode.
This is the beginning.
Yeah.
No, but that's when you might start noticing those classic signs like you're feeling more tired. Maybe you've got the spare tire going on.
Yeah.
Struggling to keep up with your workouts.
Yeah.
All of that.
Oh.
The article mentions that.
So is that what Testosil is trying to solve?
That's where this whole idea of a natural testosterone booster like Testosil comes in.
Okay.
They're positioning it as like the solution,
Like the fountain of youth, but for testosterone.
100% natural way to reclaim your manhood is what they say.
Okay, well, that's a little on the nose.
Little bit.
But I get the idea, right? So let's cut to the chase. What's actually in this stuff? What makes it so powerful, supposedly?
So the star ingredient, according to topnaturalhealth.com at least, is something called KSM-66 ashwagandha.
Okay, before you go any further, is that like from a lab?
I know, right?
Sounds like
It
it.
sounds very sci-fi.
Yeah.
It's not some artificial thing cooked up in a lab or anything.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's actually a specific patented extract of ashwagandha, which is an herb that's been used in traditional Indian medicine for centuries.
Okay.
Like a long, long time.
So ancient wisdom.
Yeah.
Ancient wisdom. Okay.
Yeah, so it's kind of cool. They're taking this ancient herb and they're like extracting it and studying it.
So it's not just like some marketing fluff. They actually have science.
Exactly. This KSM-66, it's actually backed by a ton of research. We're talking like over 24 clinical studies.
On this specific extract.
On this specific extract, yeah.
Okay, what are they finding?
So it's showing some pretty compelling results, actually.
Like what?
So according to these studies, KSM-66 has been shown to boost testosterone levels,
Okay.
which is what we're looking for, right?
Right.
It's also been shown to reduce cortisol, which is the stress hormone,
Yeah.
the one that can kind of wreak havoc on your system.
Yeah, for sure.
And it can even improve your VO2 max, which is that's like a measure of how efficiently your body uses oxygen during exercise.
So it's like it can actually help me like use oxygen better when I'm working out.
That's what they're saying, yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah. So, yeah, you're not only like potentially feeling more energized and focused, but you might actually perform better too.
Okay. So this is, wait,
It's pretty impressive stuff.
hold on. This is a testosterone booster, right?
Yeah, supposedly, yeah.
This is starting to sound like a miracle.
It's a lot packed into one.
Okay, I need to get my hands on some of this ashwagandha stuff.
Like It's pretty interesting.
it does a lot.
It does. But remember, Testosil isn't just ashwagandha. It's like a blend.
Right. It's like a symphony.
Exactly.
It's the whole orchestra.
So they've got a whole bunch of ingredients in there that are all chosen for their like testosterone supporting overall male health benefits.
Okay, so what else is in the mix?
All right. So in addition to the KSM-66,
Yeah.
they've got fenugreek extract in there.
Okay, yeah, I've seen that one around.
Yeah. It's another herb that's often touted for its testosterone-boosting properties.
Mm-hmm.
And there are some studies that suggest it might help with libido as well.
Oh, now we're talking.
Right.
This is important.
Exactly. And it doesn't stop there. They've also got ZMA in the formula.
ZMA, what is that?
Yeah, so that stands for zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B6.
Okay.
And those are essentially nutrients that are often depleted by stress and can impact testosterone production as well.
So it's like they thought of everything.
Right.
Like, you're stressed. Here's the stuff that's going to help your testosterone if you're stressed.
Exactly. They're trying to cover all their bases.
Yeah.
And to round it all out, they've added D-aspartic acid,
Okay.
which is an amino acid that plays a role in hormone regulation, and then estrogen. Estrogen, yeah.
That sounds like, what is that?
I know, it sounds like some space age thing.
Yeah.
It's actually a patented blend of ginseng and astragalus root extracts.
Okay.
And it acts as an absorption enhancer, so it helps all the other ingredients work better.
Okay, so it's like a wingman for the other ingredients.
Exactly. That's a great way to put it. It's like, what's the point of having all these amazing ingredients if your body can't even use them?
Right, right.
So this just makes sure they get absorbed properly and they can actually work their magic.
Okay, so it's like the delivery system.
Exactly.
Okay, got it. So with this powerhouse lineup, I can definitely see how they came up with that 434% increase claim. But is that number legit? Like, come on.
Yeah, it sounds very high, right? It's good to be skeptical.
Yeah.
Because it's important to remember that, these results come from clinical studies,
Okay.
which are done under very specific conditions.
Right.
So that 434% increase likely came from a study with a specific dosage, a very particular group of people.
Right.
They might have even had a specific exercise regimen.
So your average guy taking Testosil might not see those exact results.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's about managing expectations. It's not that Testosil won't work at all,
Right.
but it's unlikely that everyone's going to see those crazy dramatic results just from taking a supplement.
So what's the takeaway?
Well, I think the takeaway is these studies do provide valuable insights into the potential benefits of these ingredients. But it's crucial to remember that supplements work best as part of a holistic approach.
Okay. Holistic, that's a word I hear a lot, but
Yeah.
what does that actually look like? So when you say holistic, what does that actually look like when we're talking about testosterone and feeling better?
Well, it's kind of like we're always chasing that magic bullet, right?
Right.
Like if we find the right supplement, all our problems are solved.
Yes, so pop a pill and you're good.
Exactly. But it's really not that simple. It's more about building a foundation,
Okay.
a solid foundation for overall health.
So it's like more than just the Testosil.
It's think of it this way. Taking Testosil is like tending to one plant in your garden.
Okay.
It might give you a boost.
Yeah.
But if you really want a thriving garden, you got to focus on the whole thing.
The whole ecosystem.
Yeah, exactly. Like the soil, the sunlight, the water,
Okay. I like that. That's a good analogy. So what are the other plants then?
Yeah, so the article touches on a few of these. Diet is a big one.
Okay.
Obviously, exercise.
Right.
How you manage stress, sleep, all of that plays a really crucial role in balancing your hormones naturally.
You can't out-supplement a bad lifestyle, right?
Exactly. You know how they say you can't out-train a bad diet? It's kind of the same concept.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
For example, getting enough zinc in your diet is actually super important for testosterone production.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and the article even mentions oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds.
Oh, pumpkin seeds.
Yeah, so maybe next time you're thinking about reaching for a sugary snack or something.
I do love pumpkin seeds.
Grab some pumpkin seeds, get that zinc in.
All right, that's good to know.
And same goes for exercise. HIIT workouts have been shown to boost testosterone levels.
Right.
But honestly, even just going for a walk every day can make a difference.
It all adds up.
Exactly. It's just about finding what works for you and making it a habit.
Consistency, yeah.
And then, of course, there's sleep. We kind of touched on it. But when you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of that stress hormone, cortisol,
Right.
which can actually mess with your testosterone production.
Ugh. No, we don't want that.
Yeah, it's counterproductive.
Huh. So we've got diet, exercise, sleep. What about stress? That feels like a big one these days.
Oh, yeah, stress is huge. It's a major hormone disruptor.
Mhm.
Even the article mentions mindfulness, like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Even if you just take a few minutes to disconnect and, chill out, it can really make a difference.
So it sounds like, to kind of wrap things up, Testosil could be a good tool, but it's not like the end-all, be-all.
Right.
You have to have all these other healthy habits, too.
It's about combining it with that holistic approach,
Okay.
really focusing on all aspects.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
This has been really interesting. We've gone from decoding the ingredients to the science behind testosterone, and now we're talking about pumpkin seeds.
Right. It's a journey.
It is a journey, man.
But that's the thing. Knowledge is power.
Right.
The more you understand how your body works, the better decisions you can make for yourself.
Absolutely. So if you are interested in learning more about Testosil, you can check out that article from topnaturalhealth.com.
Yeah, they've got a lot of good info.
And they've got that promo code, too, just for our listeners.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so check that out if you're interested. But more importantly, take care of yourself.
Yes.
It's more than just the supplements.
Couldn't agree more.
It's about your lifestyle. It's about everything.
Absolutely.
All right, well, thanks for joining us for another deep dive, everybody. This one's been great.
Thanks for having me.
Until next time, stay curious.
From all of us here at Natural Health Talk, thanks for listening. Be sure to subscribe and don't forget to visit our sponsor, topnaturalhealth.com, for special promo code pricing on all of the products mentioned in this episode.